Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to unblock a phone number on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly go into the phone's app, obviously, then go ahead and tap on the three dots at the right corner, blocked. Now go into gear icon, block list, and here is our the one block number that I have. I can also block someone else from here. And if I would like to unblock somebody, I just have to press and hold. And now select the numbers I would like to unblock. Select them and then just tap on remove. And now this phone number is unblocked. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.